Hello, I am Javier Sanchez Martinez. In this video, we talk about how to follow series or rising from the present simple and the present continuous. Ingredients: a pound of a great favorite gelatin, a pound of strawberry flavored gelatin, a pound of lemon flavored gelatin, a pound of pineapple flavored gelatin, a cup hot water, a can of condensed milk later, can of carnation evaporated milk, teaspoon vanilla essence, y granite envelopes. First, dissolve each of the flavored jellies in 2 cups of the water. Pour them separately into rectangular mold and refrigerated to pound. Remove it from the refrigerator and cut into cubes. Combine and place in light oily gelatin mold. After that, blend the condensed milk later with the evaporated milk, carnation clove, and the essence of vanilla. With the blender of add bit little the previously dissolved granite. Then you can grease the pan with a little oil so that the gelatin is easily unmolded. After that, pour the above preparation into the pan with the picture of the flour, jellies, and refrigerated until set, unmolded and offered. Finally, you can just arrange mosaic jelly to share it with family. That's all.